Excavators have a long arm called a boom and a scoop called a bucket. They are used to dig holes, trenches, and foundations. The cab can spin all the way around 360 degrees without moving the tracks. Some excavators have special attachments like claws, drills, or breakers. Excavators can be small enough to fit in a backyard or as big as a house.
I got that side, you rinse them off. All right, let's drive him over here and then go grab the dump truck. He needs a bath too. Yay! Construction vehicles are all so clean. Devon! Devon Aunty! Bye-bye!